we are unboxing from the pile of shame. So if you weren't aware, I actually get a beauty subscription called Ipsy. I get it shipped over from America. Ipsy don't actually send to Australia, so I use this company, Shipito. They will give me an American address where they'll receive my stuff, let me know, and then I ship it from them to here. So as you know, like when you're wanting to purchase over there, some places won't accept because you don't have an American address. Also, there are places like that you can't even purchase from because you don't have an American card. Even like PayPal and stuff, I won't accept it. So you can actually ship it to the details. They'll purchase it for you, like give them the money, they purchase it for you, and then they'll ship it to you. So it's actually really cool. So it's a really good service. Anyway, Ipsy, as you know, so I've got 2 here. I get 2 every month. I always forget this one, and then I also get whatever other one, and I don't know what it's called. Sorry. Anyway, let's get into the first one. They always do the base one. Oh, it's so cute. Have no idea what month this is. They always, with the base one, you always get like a little makeup bag. I love this. These little makeup bags are really good. Like if you want to chuck it in like a big bag as like a little catch-all, it's pretty good. Let's have a look. What month are we? February 2026. This year. That's actually pretty good. Oh, and it tells us what's in it. We'll have a look at that later. Okay, so you always get like little samples and stuff in this little base one, but you have to get the base one to get the big one. The base one's about $17 Australian. All right, what have we got first? Ooh, Milani. We have Milani in Australia. Liquid Contour 01 Honey. I will most definitely try this, I think. I think I'll give this a go. What else do we have? Ooh, a leave-in conditioner from Silk. Ooh, I love a good leave-in conditioner. That's so cute. And then we also have this NUE, new. Is that how they pronounce that? Skin Filter Serum, 1% retinol, 6.5% AHAs, Skin Barrier Alt Retinol. That's a good little sample, isn't it? Isn't it? And we've got another little deluxe sample, Prados. Start with the Slay Primer. I'm not big on primers, so I'll probably pass that on. Anyway, pop all these back in here. Do it. And when I say pass them on, you could win. You should see all the stuff I've got here. Anyway, I won't get into that. So let's get into the big one because this has got all the, you know, the best stuff. So Shipito do go through and make sure obviously you're not sending things like you're getting things illegally. So they will have a look, and if you want, you know, they can take photos of everything for you and send it to you before you get it shipped off, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I don't recall this ever coming in a black box. But then again, I could be wrong, and my last one could have come in a black box. Like, you know, I'm not the best at that. So this will be February as well. Spring collection. Nice. You get this. It's a bit of a little magazine. Tells you a bit about what you got. We won't look at that. Oh my goodness. She's pretty busy. So busy. Look how much stuff we've got in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's start from here. Rhodile. Collagen drops. I feel like I've got these before. Let's look, shall we? Collagen drops by Rhodile. This is glass. Little ASMR for you. Probably won't use them. They'll get passed on. Ooh, Toucher. Nice. Gold Spun Lip Balm. Gold Spun. That sounds smancy, doesn't it? That sounds a little smancy, doesn't it? Ooh, ooh. Why do I feel like I've had this before? Like actually purchased it myself. Look. Why, thank you very much. Don't mind a little bit of gold. So that's a nice little lip balm. What have we got here? Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. Beauty from within. It's a holistic approach that awakens, enlivens, alchemizes. And then the rest is in a language I do not know. Ooh. Look. Comes in a little plastic bottle. This will be nice in the shower. What else do we have? What's this? This is just a... Oh, Saint Jane. And it is a Rich Rescue Photo Mucin Cream. No. Yes. Am I pronouncing that right? Can you read that? Visibly smooths fine lines for plump, glassy skin. Wow. We love a bit of that. This powerfully plumping, plant-derived mucin cream deeply supports and soothes with its bouncy, stretchy texture and photo mucin technology. Each swipe of this rich rescue cream delivers elasticity and moisture, while antioxidant-packed actives like niacinamide target the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It's derived from yam root. No. Okay. It sounds like it's packing a lot. It sounds like it's pretty, you know, says like it does a lot, but does it? I like the packaging. What's that remind me of? It's like, I don't know what that reminds me of, but I like the packaging. What else do we have? What's this? What's this? Oh, it's a mascara. Oh, Kevin Aquan. I don't believe I've tried any of Kevin's anything. So this will be nice. This will be nice. Let's have a look. I don't really want to open it because I might pass it on. I have a lot of mascaras, so yeah. Don't know if I want to open that because I might pass that on, and nobody wants me like touching and trying their stuff. This is Bisha, and it is a essential rice water makeup primer. Ooh, rice water makeup primer. Rice water makeup primer. I don't believe I've tried a rice water makeup primer before, but we'll give that a go. I like it. I'm not really into primers, so I don't really know if that's going to really suit me. I hear that the rice water is pretty good in like toners and stuff, but I'm not really sure. Oh no, I'm wrecking the thing. I'm not really sure, like as far as primers go, is it like any good? We don't know. All right, let's open her up. I'm definitely a firm believer that if you've got a really good skincare base, then you don't really need a primer. Oh my God, I cannot get this. I just took off a nail. Okay. Well, they're due to come off anyway. They're just like those press-on nails. But anyway, didn't love that. Oh, get out. Why is this so difficult? Why are you being so difficult? That's what that looks like. She's liquidy. Okay. Well, we'll see. I don't think I'll give that a go. I think that will go in the giveaway. Oh. And then we have, don't know why they're like this. We have some Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh. Let's have a look, shall we? We have the Beauty Light Wand High Blush and the Matte Beauty Blush Wand. Ooh, so blushes. Can we see? Can we see? They're the colours. I will see if I like this. We don't know. We'll give her a go and we'll see. I love blush. I think I have a bit of blush blindness because I think maybe sometimes I overdo the blush, but really, can you overdo blush? Like, I don't know. Oh, it's that one. Nice, nice. Oh, yes. Pinkasm. That's the colour. Again, I don't really want to, like, swatch her in case I give her away. Like, do I really need all of this? No, I don't. I would rather give away. Like, do you know what I mean? Like stuff that, I've got a lot of blushes at the moment. So yeah, I don't know. I might keep one of them. I think this one is Pillow Talk, which I believe might be more my color. I think I might already have this, or one of my daughters might already have this. I do remember buying, I believe. So I'd rather not waste this and give it to somebody that, yeah, in a giveaway. Oh, so the big box is the Ipsy Ultimate, and I don't know how often this comes. I'm really sorry about that. And then the small one is just the Ipsy Basic. So that's Ipsy. Oh, I kind of feel bad that I didn't like, you know, do the bits, but I'm not wasteful. I can't be wasteful. So that's my 2 Ipsys. If you want to know more, please leave a comment down below. There will be links in the description for Shipito and Ipsy. And thanks for watching. My name is Sarah, and I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao, bye.